Hello guys, welcome to OctaCoder. Today we are going to learn how to create this login form. This kind of design is really cool design. So let's get started. So I have created a folder in my drive. This is the for the image folder. That background image is coming from this folder. This is the background image and the icon image of the login, and this is the HTML file login. So let's minimize this one. So let's give the name login. So let's give the style CSS for the whole body. We want that image, so let's create internal style CSS, and inside the body we are going to give the background image URL and give the relative path image folder and then the bg background image, and make sure background size is cover. Also make sure to the background is no repeat. Save this file and let's open in the browser and see we got the background image, that one. So the first task is done. Now let's build the form first. So first let's give the bootstrap link, and this bootstrap version is a 4.4.1 because I designed this form in 2019. That time I used the bootstrap 4.4.1 version. So this was my first login form design that time in 2019. So that's why I'm going to keep it as it is, the bootstrap link. So let's create a form now. Give inside the div tag, give the div class container, and also make sure call, let's give it a 5 for now, and inside the div tag let's create a form action. For now nothing. Also method is also get for now. This is just a design, so we are just going to focus on the UI part, design part. So let's give div class name is a form group. You know how to create the form, so I'm not going to use the label here right now because in that time I didn't use. I like it as it is. So let's take input, type email, form control, and the placeholder enter email, and that's it. So this was the first field. Let's copy this one and create another field here. Let's give it a name password. For the password here also type, we need to change password, placeholder enter password. Here we need the buttons. Let's create the button login and give class button danger is a bootstrap class. Type submit. Let's create another button. This is for the sign up is actually inside the anchor tag. Let's make it inside the anchor tag, and for now let's give the href hashtag, and this button color is a primary, is kind of a little blue. And then we need the last is the forget password link. Let's give it for now the hashtag forget password. Save this file and let's check how it is looking now. Reload the browser, and that's it. We got it, guys. And now we are going to give the style of this form, style CSS. We are going to make the styling. Oh, here we didn't got the icon image, that one. So let's give it the icon. Here is the image tag inside the image. Give the source and then give the relative path image, and this is login icon image. Save this file, reload it, and now we got the image. So now we just need to give the style CSS. So let's give the style CSS for this container class, and position give it absolute top 50 pixel, and left, let's make it into the middle 350 pixel, then give the color white. The text color will be the white because background is a blue, and padding give it a 20 pixel for now. Save this file, let's try how it is looking. We just wanted the border we wanted that, so for that we have the property box shadow, and box shadow, let's give it 0 pixel first, 0 pixel second, top left, and this one is 6 pixel and 2 pixel for the blurriness. And the color, I have the hash code of this color, so hash code just copy as it is. Save this file, let's check how it is looking now. Yeah, we got it, but it is square. Let's give the border radius. Here we want the radius little, for that we have the border radius property and give it a 20 pixel. Yeah, now it's looking cool. So now we need to make this input fields also transparent, so let's make them transparent now. Let's give the container is inside the container input field, and type and background, make it transparent. Save it, save this file and refresh. We got the something wrong, we have given the class name wrong. Make sure when you are giving the names, write it as it is, so that's why. And see, we got the input field the transparent. Now we just want this forget password under these buttons, and this sign up button need to be visible. Is not clearly visible, so let's give the color for that sign up button like anchor tag. It is inside the anchor tag, so let's give the color white, and see, we got it. We can see now that sign up, but we want this forget password below the buttons, so let's give here one break. Yeah, here you can give it a break. Save it and reload the browser, and see, we got the forget password below the buttons. So that's it, and now we need to make this icon to the center. You can give it as a display properties, but when I designed this form in 2019, that time I used the center tag. This tag is outdated now, it's not in the use, but still it work to make it in the middle. So see, it came into the middle. Now we want the form little bit top down. Let's manage it now, give it a 60 pixel and left little bit like a 390. Save it. Yeah, it's looking cool now. The all is good. Oh, we can't see the text here inside the input field, so for that let's give it. Yeah, we have written the background transparent, but we haven't given the colors. So text color, let's give it a white, so it will visible. Reload this and let's see, the text is visible now. That's it, guys. That's how to make this design. And the little we have given here, like on hover container, we have given the box shadow, little blurriness is a 10 pixels. Save this file and reload and see, we got it. That's it, guys. That's how to create this kind of design. This login form design is really attractive. This is a good practice for the UI designer if you are going into the UI development. So this kind of practice is really cool. In 2019 I used to practice like this, making different kind of designs. So that's how I learned. If you want this source code, don't worry, I'll upload on OctaCoder GitHub. I'll give the link in the description, you can download it. If you like this design, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe OctaCoder YouTube channel. Thank you.